Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code by Vansh. Today we are going to solve the problem 2 sum. You can find the problem link in description. So let's start the problem. Given an array of integers num and an integers target, return indices of the two numbers such that they end up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Okay, so in this question, as we can see that we we have given nums and it's an array, and we have also given a target. So in order to make the target, we have to take one indexes and then two indexes such that the sum of these indexes element should be target, and then we have to return the answer in vector. So in this question, uh, we can think of for loop for the brute approach, where we pick one element and then we iterate let's see, like if we pick one element like 2 and then we iterate for other element, then we can sum both of these elements and we can find the target sum, and if it that's equal to the target sum, we can return the element indexes. Like let me show you the code. Here I'm trying to say that if we run two loops to check every possible pairs of numbers in a given array, if that equal to the target sum, if they add up to the target sum, then we just have to return the indexes. So in this question we can use two for loops, but as you can see that two for loop consumes a time of n square time complexity. So we are not happy with this solution, and in this solution we just we just take one element, let's just say it's I, and then we would take another index, let's just say it's j, and we would iterate in like a n square loop. So it would not be much efficient, as the interviewers might say, let's improve the time complexity. So we would go for a better approach, and in this type of questions we would prefer to use unordered map, where basically what gonna happen is uh, like when we iterate through the first element, so the map would the map would basically what is going to store, it's going to store map nums I on the basis of the indexing. Like if 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 it's 2, like as you can see in the question it said 2 and it has index 1, so it's going to store this. And if another index is going to say, let's just say target, if our target is 7, and 7 minus 7 7, and the array we got is 2, 5 and 6. So what we are going to check, that if 7, which is our target, and 5, let's just say it's 5, and 5 minus 7 is 2, and now whether 2 is present in our map or not. So if it is present in the map, we are going to return the value, which is the index value of this. Here we return the target, I mean the map index, as well as the index which we are iterating through. And at the end, if we don't get any And at the end, if we don't get any indexes, then what we are going to return? We are going to return -1 as it stated in the question. Okay, so I think we are good to go with both of our approach. For the brute approach, it takes n square time complexity, and for the optimized code, we are going to get O of n in time complexity as well as space complexity. So we would try to use the optimized code. So thank you for watching my video, and make sure to like, share and subscribe for next videos.